Welcome back to the Trying Dutchman upstairs bathroom. Yes, only plumbing downstairs. So we decided to build a bathroom going through the master bedroom and that window you see on the left. That was going to be the entrance for several years after that. So the building started. I skipped a couple of stages here, but that was the window I was talking about. For years, we crawled through that window to get in the bathroom. Till one year I cut it down, and then we could walk into the bathroom through the window. So there was nothing. Found some siding somewhere, closed it up, and voila. Years later, when we came back from Africa, we thought, okay, this bathroom had done its service, so let's at least put in bigger windows. Give the shower a bigger shower because, we gained some weight and there were five of us now, so we needed a bigger shower. So the old one was taken out. Indeed, it had been there for, 14, 16 years now. It had leaked a little bit, so it was rotten. All the plumbing had to come out. The beams were still good. Also, we had a big wasp bee nest in the wall, so every day some wasp or bees would be crawling on the floors and the kids stepped in it sometimes. Anyway, it had all had to be renewed and gone. So new plumbing, new electricity, new everything, side drywall, closing up the floor, and I cannot mud straight, but I can give it a rough texture. So put it on, diamond plate, aluminum diamond plate, bigger shower that could fit us, and then spray painting of the mud. Tati took it upon her. And look, nice, colorful, and voila, the end result. Beautiful. It's only years later that I found out I was the only one that liked it. Nobody had really liked it, but that's a different bathroom. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.